Alright, so this is a 24-70 paired with a 5D. So I have an issue. Just recently acquired this lens secondhand, pre-owned. So the owner said it's not been used for several years since pandemic. So it's in a mint condition lens. As you can see, the glass is clean, no fungus, and it's a very heavy paired with a 5D Mark II full frame. So this is an all-around lens, so I bought this as a dream lens. So yeah, and then if we're shooting at 2.8, aperture is okay. So shooting at 2.8, there's no problem. But if I increase any value of the aperture and focus, then there's an error. Communication between the camera and the lens is faulty. Clean the lens contact. So I've tried cleaning the lens contact several times, but still failed. So yep, if you have any similar problems, can you share the solution? As what I've read in the forums, 24-70, since when you zoom, the lens extend. So there's a possibility that the flex cable inside might be broken. So although this lens is an L lens, it's a great lens, but for this error now. Now going back to 2.8, focus, so 2.8 hasn't any problem. Then we increase slight, then the error occurs. Okay, so as you can see, pressing the shutter button, going back to the shooting mode, then that's it. Hope you can help me guys on this error. And the error is at the top is error 01 on the Canon 5D. Okay, so this is the 24-70 issue. Alright, thanks.